So self-worth and self-esteem. How do we build those up?
I think about it in 3 steps. The first one is about awareness. Becoming aware of how self-esteem is showing up in your behaviors, the things you do, and the way you see yourself is our starting point. When I started, I began noticing that after COVID, I never started really shaking hands again because I was so worried that I would make someone feel uncomfortable if they didn't want that physical touch, that possible exposure to germs. And so I saw that my low value myself put their needs first. And so even though I would want to go for a handshake, I'd feel so reluctant that I'd show up as a result pretty low confident if you're looking at me, pretty small. Beginning to notice these things, whether it's eye contact, your ability to talk to strangers, your confidence as a public speaker, these are some of the common things that I help my clients with. And sometimes it's in relation to a relationship with food. I have a background as a dietitian, so that usually kind of pops in with my ideal client is probably someone who's trying to change their body composition at the same time. I help my clients explore awareness-wise what's going on, what's showing up, what behaviors would they actually want to change in their ideal confident self. Are they offering handshakes? Are they making eye contact? Is that what they want to change? And so for the first couple of weeks, we're mostly just journaling, reflecting, trying to figure out how self-esteem is showing up in our daily life.
Okay, step 1, awareness. Checking in with where we are. How's my self-esteem? How's my confidence? How am I showing up? How does it differ from how I want to show up?
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
And what's step 2?
So step 2 is where we actually start making changes. For example, for me, talking to a woman on the street was very difficult. If I couldn't even shake someone's hand, approaching a strange woman who I saw as up on a pedestal as more worthy than me, very difficult. So if I were just to start doing that, that would be too scary, not really available to me. It would be too high up. And so what I do with my clients is I create a staircase of small changes. So when I started, I said an extra sentence to the barista who serves me my coffee. And this is kind of where we get into noticing small changes. I was that sentence went pretty well. The barista didn't hate me. Then you get angry. I survived. Okay. I could do that. And then it progressed to having a conversation with a stranger on the bus. And again, it's that went fine. I'm still alive. And slowly we're pushing these small changes and being really aware of how it's changing. And I'm starting to see the levers that I can start to control and pull and show up the way I want to, until I started approaching women in public. And it's nice to be able to feel like I could create romance whenever I wanted.
Nice. Okay, step 1, awareness, checking in where we are. Step 2, small incremental changes, kind of seeing how we can slowly build it up by taking action is what I'm hearing.
That's right.
And what's step 3?
Step 3 is really a reflection on the process. Again, just a lot of awareness of what worked. We'll probably try a bunch of different things. And reflect on where you were when we started working together. See how much you've changed. And when my clients, because like I said, usually we're just looking forwards and not really noticing the progress that we're making. Because usually progress on these things is pretty slow and gradual. They look back oh, wow, you're right. I've come a long way. And look at all these things that I achieved. And that was just me, being more authentic. And then you can start to see into the future when this carries on, and they can see how they have the levers, they're in control now of really changing their behavior in any way they want. And people who feel like they can change and create what they want in life tend to have really high self-esteem.
Nice. So step 3 is witnessing our growth and being yeah, I can do it. I'm capable of growing. However small, however slow, it's happening. It's headed in the right direction. And I can even feel that the confidence boost that would have. I'd be yeah, I'm doing it. I'm making progress.
Mm-hmm.